Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls on YouTube. So to do that, let's head on to YouTube first. So the first step you want to do is disable the restricted content over here. So let's go to YouTube. Alright, so once you're on your YouTube channel, on the right hand side you can see your profile picture. So all you have to do is click over here, and here you can see the option for restricted mode. So over here just click here, and then you have to enable this slider, and you can see this setting only applies to this browser. Alright, once you have done that, just refresh the page and your restricted mode is on. So that means YouTube will now filter the content and only show appropriate videos on your feed. So that is how you can set up parental controls on YouTube and block restricted content, and that is how you can do it. And for the mobile device, all you have to do is follow the same steps that I've shown. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.